So this question says the diagram shows a rectangle with sides x plus 2 and x minus 2 and an area of 21 square units. We're to write a quadratic expression that represents the area of the rectangle, and we're to find the length of each side of the rectangle. So what do we know to be true about a rectangle? The area of a rectangle is equal to length times width. Now, we can call one side the length and the other side the width. So we know that area in this particular case is going to be one side, which is x minus 2, times the other side, which is x plus 2. Since they told us that the area of this rectangle was 21 square units, we can replace the a with 21. So we can say x minus 2 times x plus 2 is equal to 21. What we can therefore do is to expand using the box method and write the equation in the standard form of the quadratic to know exactly how to approach this question. So we're going to use the box method to do our multiplication and then simplify. So we have x plus 2, x minus 2. This is x squared plus 2x minus 2x, and this is minus 4. When we simplify this, we know that we're going to combine these two terms, and we have a positive 2x and a negative 2x, so they actually cancel each other out, which means our expression becomes x squared, let's just write it out as is, plus 2x minus 2x minus 4 is going to be equal to 21. We now have x squared minus 4 is equal to 21. Now, in order for us to solve, we know that we have to get the x by itself. And we also have to set our equation. There are two ways we can do it. Set our equation equal to 0 and get the x by itself. Since there's no b term in this equation, we can make the x squared term b by itself. So what we're going to do is we're going to add 4 to both sides, which now means that we have x squared is equal to, well, 21 plus 4, that's 25. Now we can solve using the square root method. So x squared is equal to 25. In order to get rid of our square term, we do the opposite, which is taking the square root. Anything you do on one side of an equation must be done to the other side. So our x is equal to plus or minus the square root of 25, which is 5. It therefore means that x is equal to a negative 5 or x is equal to a positive 5. Since we know that length and width cannot be negative, x must be equal to a positive 5, which means that one side, if the side is x minus 2, then that's going to be 5 minus 2, which is 3. And then the side that is x plus 2 is going to be 5 plus 2, which is equal to 7. So length would be equal to 7, and width would be equal to 3. So our solutions, first of all, the value for x must be 5, and then our solutions in this particular case is length and width. Length is 7, width is